Taco Potato Mustang. I'm gonna try a chicken sandwich from a place that I've never tried before. It's called Hangry Joe's Hot Chicken and Wings. Holy crap. Okay, this thing is pretty legit serious. Okay, like, look at the shape of this carton. I was like, yeah, that's kind of overkill, but no. This is a pretty big chicken sandwich. And it was like, well, as they call it, chicken Sando. It seems like there is a bit of a Korean influence on this place. I have to look up more information about it, but some of the stuff they say is like Korean barbecue this. I have to look at the rest of the menu. They've also got chicken and waffles, which was very tempting, but I had to go with the chicken sandwich today. So let's see. Oh my God, this thing is ridiculous. Look at the size of this thing. It's like $11.83 after tax. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Oh my God. Whew. Okay. I did medium spicy, and holy crap. I think I should have gone with something a little bit more mild. But man, that first bite, hot damn, that is good. Oh my God. It's got pretty huge piece of chicken, some pickles, some coleslaw. Looks like pretty standard bun for this type of chicken sandwich. Medium level sauce. Oh man. Okay. Damn. Okay, this is a pretty serious chicken sandwich. Like, this is a good bang for the buck. Just, yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Very good first impression. Hangry Joe. Oh my God. I'm probably gonna have to take a nap after this. Holy crap. I feel like most places, when you get a chicken sandwich, it's more likely that you're gonna have like a really small piece of chicken. And this is like a huge piece of chicken. It's also really evenly distributed. Like, aside from the fact that you have pieces coming out of the bun, like it fills the whole bun from side to side. And it's got a pretty decent amount of sauce. It's hot. I went a little bit before lunchtime. It's like 11. It's almost 12. I got back like 5 minutes ago. I went at like, I don't know, 11:40. Yeah. Oh man. Okay. This is excellent. I think, oh yeah, I should have drank a Sprite, but yeah, this is, oh man. Okay. Yeah. This thing's pretty serious, but man, this is a good chicken sandwich. God damn. Okay, so now a little further. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but what makes this so good, I mean, obviously everything's fresh, but the chicken is so juicy. Oh my God. Like, There's a lot of places that have pretty good chicken, pretty good fried chicken, and then when you get to like, you know, the middle of the chicken breast, it's a little bit dry. I feel like I'm in the middle of the chicken breast, and this is super juicy. Oy. Man. I imagine the hot, like the next level of the spiciness is pretty serious, like pretty brutal. I feel like I have a pretty decent tolerance for spicy stuff. You know, I have my limits, but I like spice, like a little bit of spice, a little bit of kick. But this one is like just at my limit. I feel like anything a little bit hotter would be, I would probably be like, I'd probably be crying. But this is like just enough kick to where your mouth's like, hey, 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 hey. Yeah. This is legit. Excellent job, Hangry Joe. This place is really close, so it's gonna become very problematic. Man. Anyways, thanks for watching my review. If you're in the Arlington, Alexandria area, Virginia, you should definitely check out Hangry Joe's. This chicken sandwich, this chicken sando is pretty legit. Okay, I just have to say that this is legitimately the best chicken sandwich that I've had in like a long time. If the chicken that they use for the chicken sandwiches is as good as, or the chicken that they use for the chicken and waffles is as good as the chicken they use on the chicken sandwiches, then I bet the chicken and waffles are amazing. I was just thinking like, man, a little bit of syrup on this. Oh my God. Yeah, I've done reviews on a couple of chicken sandwiches from Basic Burger, which is one of my favorite places in Northern Virginia. And I like that place a lot, but this chicken sandwich is like on another level. Like those chicken sandwiches there are good and their burgers are excellent, but this is another tier of chicken sandwich.